pleasure. Jason? Oh, Jason, the only thing that is unrealistic there is the speed. You can come back to about half throttle.
Yeah, I think I overpopped it because I was scared. I wanted all the extra power.
You rather want to have more power.
Yeah, as a beginner.
Fantastic, man.
Thanks, Norman.
Nice aeroplane. Very nice aeroplane. It goes beautifully, and it was, in fact, it was nice to behave.
So how's the setup?
Not bad, eh? What will my stall speed be? Quite high.
Hey?
What will my stall speed be?
The stall speed to bring it down?
Yeah.
Alright, and you were slightly bit too high. Bring it down. You came down for landing. That's a better approach. That's a better approach. Slightly closer, slightly. Perfect.